Happy Friday, everyone. It's Fun Friday time. Hey there, email wizards. Are you tired of boring old email signatures? Let's spice things up and create a signature that'll make your emails pop. First, open Outlook. Once you're in, click on File, then Options, and finally Mail. Now, get ready to unleash your creativity. Click on the Signatures tab and hit that new button like you mean it. Give your signature a cool name like Super Signature or Email Awesomeness. Time to spill the beans about yourself. Type in your name, job title, company, and any other fancy stuff you want to include. Remember, this is your digital business card, so make it shine. Want to add a logo or a picture of your adorable pet? Go for it. Click on Insert Picture and choose your favorite image. Just make sure it doesn't slow down your email. You've created a masterpiece. Click OK to save your signature. Now, let's see that signature in action. Write a new email and click on the Signatures button. Choose your awesome creation and watch the magic happen. And there you have it, email wizards. You've officially leveled up your email game. With your new custom signature, you'll be the envy of your inbox. Go forth and conquer the email world. Let us know how this worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Fun Friday tips and tech hacks. At 303 Tech, we keep you simply connected. Have a fantastic weekend.